Hi, and welcome to Automatech's Watch and Learn series. Today we'll be talking about installing Proficy Common licensing in online activation. I am your host, Franco Patron. There are three components of the install. You have the license client, local license server, and the license server settings. You can activate your license doing a direct activation to the GE Cloud, local license server activation, and USB activation. All three of these methods can be activated offline as well. So I downloaded the ISO already, so I'm going to go to my downloads folder, go to common licensing. I'm going to install all three components. So to start, the license client. And hit next to the wizard. The install for all three components should be a few minutes at the most. And it may ask you to restart your machine. Next, I'm going to install the local license server. And then I'm going to install the license server tools. I like to add a desktop icon. You don't need to. And once you're finished, you can open up the license client. And again, this may ask you to reinstall, which is totally normal. Okay, this is your license client window. As you can see, there's different options for activating licenses. For starters, we're going to go to yes from a computer from the GE Cloud server. We're going to put in our activation code, hit add code, and hit activate. To know that you have a connection to your GE Cloud, look in the bottom right hand side to the little lightning bolt and cloud symbol. And your license is activated. You can do multiple at once, or you can do one at a time. And just for practice, we're going to go ahead and return the license. So we're going to select it and hit return. And this will return your license back to the GE Cloud. We'll talk about the offline activation process in another video. And this is the advanced tab, which goes to other components and tools you can use for your licensing. We're going to open up the local license server, and we're going to add the same license to the server. Hit add code, hit activate. This is the same method as a client. And again, to remove it, we're going to remove license. select the quantity we'd like to remove, and this will wipe it off the server. You have other tabs because this is a local license server, clients, server operations, pretty straightforward. Complete offline activation process, same as the client, and then the view logs if needed. This is the local server settings. You do lease licenses from the local server, and you have a minimum of 7 days and a maximum of 54. Just in case your client does get disconnected from the local license server, it will run for the amount of days you set until it expires and gets ripped off your machine. And this concludes our installing Proficy Common Licensing and Online Activation video. If you have any more questions, please see your account rep or contact us at support@automatech.com. Thank you and have a wonderful day.